How to fix Steam Friends List black box in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC. In the Task Manager, look for any processes related to Steam. Select each Steam-related process and click End Task. Wait a few seconds, then reopen Steam and check if the problem persists. If that didn't work, the Steam cache can accumulate and sometimes become corrupt, leading to various issues, including display problems. Clearing the cache can resolve these issues by removing outdated or corrupt files. Click Delete. Restart Steam. If that didn't work, the Client TUI folder contains files related to Steam's user interface. Deleting it can resolve issues with the Friends list display, as Steam will create a new, uncorrupted folder upon restart.